YouTube is the world's biggest video sharing platform, and it doubles as one of the resources for CPA marketing. CPA marketing on YouTube is considered one of the incredible ways to make money online. Before now, YouTube earnings through ads were around $18 per 1,000 views. And with YouTube having over 2 billion users worldwide and daily streaming of over 1 billion hours of videos, CPA marketers can't afford to ignore the possibilities and potentials YouTube offers. Ordinarily, when users are watching video on YouTube, the YouTubers are earning money from the ads that are displayed. This is the fastest and easiest method of earning cash via the platform. However, with CPA marketing on the YouTube platform, affiliate companies can track marketer CPA link for effective remuneration. So basically, if an audience performs a predetermined action on the merchant's website, the marketer gets a commission from such action. CPA marketing with YouTube. CPA stands for cost per acquisition, and it is a form of affiliate marketing. This acquisition can either be sale, lead, an action, or a conversion. CPM offers in the CPA model refers to the actual promotion of gigs. How CPA works: users visit your website, click on an affiliate link, fill out the offer, complete any action, and you make money. An advertiser offers a product for advertisement, and a publisher who is interested in marketing such products subscribes to the offer. In the CPA model, publishers are paid if and when a user acquires a service or product. However, YouTube plays a big role in the sense that the platform allows CPA marketers to promote their offer on its network for free. Since CPA marketing requires a large amount of traffic to increase conversion, YouTube offers its platform for marketers to get huge traffic for free. However, all CPA marketers have to do is create video content for their respective CPA offer. After that, you have to promote the video content on YouTube to attract views and interaction from the audience. These views and interaction are then harnessed to help drive traffic towards the predetermined action of the offer. Can I make money on YouTube with CPA marketing? The simple answer is yes. However, getting started to the point where you can start earning cash depends on the quality of your dedication, bearing in mind the relevance of your video content and how well you promote your CPA offer. Promoting your CPA offer is not going to be easy, as it requires lots of work, patience, perseverance, and consistency. One easy way of doing this is by creating quality and relevant content for the offer you market. This by itself, in accordance with YouTube ranking algorithm, will perform well. In addition, you need to work hard. The YouTube platform itself makes it easier to grow your audience by implementing a few steps. Respond to users' comments. Reach out to other YouTubers for collaborations. Create videos. Respond to hot products and topics. Give your audience a promotion or rewards for sharing and interacting with your channel. Include calls to action in your video by requesting your viewers to subscribe, share, and click on the CPA offer links. CPA marketing offers are available on YouTube. YouTube simply provides a platform that allows you to interact with audience regardless of your chosen niche. They also allow the promotion of CPA marketing offers from a wide variety of merchants. There is a wide range of awesome CPA marketing offers that covers different topics spread across multiple affiliate networks. You are sure to find the right audience in large number on YouTube. Getting started with CPA marketing on YouTube and affiliate marketing isn't a complex task. It requires 4 simple steps. Picking a niche. Picking a niche to market. It requires 4 simple steps. Picking a niche to market can be easy and tricky. Easy in the sense that you can always pick a niche you are interested in and passionate about. This will definitely make creating your video content to push your CPM offer much easier for you. There is the possibility that you can fancy 2 or more niches. This is purely natural. The problem is which niche to select and which to drop. Seeing that the success of your CPA marketing business is dependent on picking the right niche. So be careful while selecting your niche. Not every niche that appeals to you has the potentials of attracting a large audience. Even with a large audience, the next question is, will the attracted audience be willing to perform actions that lead to conversion? If you are just starting out as a CPA marketer, you want to ensure that you avoid the sharks of the business both in niche and CPA offer selections. Select CPA marketing offers to promote. Affiliate CPA offers abound. Select CPA marketing offers to promote. Affiliate CPA offers abound, literally all round. Many companies manage their CPA offer directly, while some number of them uses the service of third party known as affiliate network. Selecting the right CPA offer to market is probably going to be your most difficult challenge. This is simply because the sheer number of CPA offers available online today is huge. While this may sound positive at first, you soon find out that not all offers are suitable for you. The main point is to carefully search each offer, read up on its rules and restrictions, and ensure that it aligns with your goals as a marketer. Another point is that you don't want to promote offers that are of no relevance to your audience or offers that might damage your credibility and reputation. Set up your YouTube channel and start creating the required video content. Setting up a YouTube channel is relatively easy. Chances are that you already have a Gmail or Google account, and since Google is the parent company of YouTube, all you have to do is sign up with your account information and create a YouTube channel. After that, configure your channel as it suits your interests and start creating video content to help promote your CPA marketing offers. Growing a YouTube channel isn't a day's job, as this might take weeks, months, or even years. This is where your perseverance and creativity comes into play. Creating awesome content will help you drive the growth of your channel, but it might not be at the pace you desire, which is why you need to perform the next step: ranking your video content to gain traffic. Ranking video content on YouTube isn't easy. The competition is fierce, and YouTube ranking algorithm places more emphasis on interaction over number of views. With that said, the goal of your video shouldn't be to have the highest view, but rather to have the most meaningful interaction with viewers. Try to be straightforward in promoting your videos. According to Google, if the main purpose of your content is to drive traffic off YouTube and onto another website, it will likely violate the spam policy. This creates a ranking restrictions. To rank higher on YouTube, ensure to always name your video the same as your keywords. In the title box provided, enter your keyword along with an extra related keyword. Write at least 250 words descriptions with a link to your landing page in your description. Always add a call to action. Use your keyword as a tag. This informs the algorithm of what your video entails. Where to place CPA marketing offer link on YouTube. We know that only quality, relevant, and informative video content can drive conversion on YouTube. I'm sure your next question is, where can I place my CPA marketing offer link on YouTube for effective conversion? To answer that, there are a number of places you can actually place your CPA marketing offer link to increase visibility. They include the descriptions. Always remember to include your CPA marketing offer in the description. It's also advisable to include a call to action in the video itself. This will always encourage viewers to actually look at the description. You can place a cloak CPA marketing offer link, a link that is redirected through any domain associated with your YouTube channel. You can also directly place naked affiliate link in your video description, pinned comment and community tab. You can also safely add CPA marketing offer link in the pinned comments of a video. The community tab is also a good location to add CPA marketing offer links. Although it's quite unpopular and many affiliates don't use it when it comes to link placement. If you actively and regularly engage with your subscribers, this is a great location to place your link. Driving traffic to your CPA offer link on YouTube. The next step in our quest to make money via CPA marketing on YouTube is to drive traffic to your content. Let's face the fact. Traffic is the lifeblood of any CPA marketing, as they drive conversion rates and eventually your earnings. There are a few ways of driving traffic to your CPA marketing offer link, and they are as follows. Subscribers. Quality content drives subscribers, and the best way to get traffic to your CPA offer link is to build up a strong subscribers base. Subscribing to a YouTube channel is a one-time action, and after that, it's up to you to keep them entertained and informed with quality content. Building a subscriber base is not easy, as it takes time and lots of energy and effort. A new channel, if properly managed, can grow from 0 to 100 subscribers within a year, and it can also take longer. Building and keeping your subscriber base has benefits. Every time you release a new video, your subscribers are notified in YouTube browser's interface. They will also receive a notification on their phone through the YouTube mobile app. Recommended and related video. This has to be the most coveted ranking position on YouTube. It is the homepage of the platform. Basically, your video is placed in front of potential huge audience. Any channel appearing on the homepage should expect a significant surge in subscribers. Likewise, the related video sidebar is another way to drive traffic to your YouTube video, hosting your CPA offer link. This video appears to viewers because they are similar to the ones they interact with. However, they are from the creators to which the viewer isn't currently subscribed. Getting into any of these two spots is a tough yet achievable task. Here are some tips to help you. Create interesting title, but avoid using clickbait to optimize your title, tags, and video description for one keyword. Consider linking your videos together via overlay or playlist. Your thumbnail matters. Design them with a book cover in mind. Create engaging video content, but keep your video length around 10 minutes. Keep in mind that the goal of the YouTube is for the viewers to stick around and click on the ads as they display in between videos. If you capitalize on that and your video generates enough section, with these loads of engagement, YouTube will send you more traffic. The higher the traffic you get, the more chances you get the visitors. The chances you get that visitors will click on your affiliate link. Google organic search. Google is the parent company of YouTube, so they naturally give it preference in the search for a wide range of keywords. One sure way to drive traffic to your YouTube is to rank high on Google. Certainly, performing CPA marketing on YouTube can be a very good source of quality traffic that can help you drive your promotion and earn you cash in the process. The fact that the traffic is free also makes it great. YouTube as a platform is making video content more popular, as YouTube is leading the way in video sharing, and you are bound to earn some cash from it. Presently, it makes sense to start a YouTube channel in conjunction with your landing page. Website page. This helps to diversify your monetization and gives you adequate control over your earnings. All you have to do is to capture the attention of a sizable chunk of audience available on the platform, drive them to your landing page and subsequently the merchant page, then give them a reason to perform the conversion action, and you'll be smiling at the bank. If you can perfectly blend excellent marketing efforts with your CPA offer, you'll be able to receive endless monthly streams of cash for a very long time. If you're interested in discovering more about making money online, then be sure to check out our link first in the description. Subscribe and turn notification on so you don't miss more videos helping you make money online. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos on how to make money online, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.